My name is Carolina Fernandez. I'm a teacher at HomeSchool.ie and a living Cert Spanish examiner. So the Spanish oral exam is divided into two parts. The first part is the general conversation. It's normally around 10 minutes, and the examiner will ask you open questions about yourself, your family, your school, your pastimes, college, and holidays. The second part of is the role play. The role play will be around 2-3 minutes, and the examiner will choose one role play out of the 3 prescribed by state commissions. The Spanish oral exam is the same for higher level and ordinary level students. The questions and the marking scheme is the same for both. Because the exam is the same for higher level and ordinary level students, you can still change your mind and decide at the end what level you want to do. If you make a mistake or you are a little bit nervous the day of the exam, it's okay. The examiner will know that you'll be slightly nervous. So you can ask, you can say, lo siento, estoy un poco nervioso. Or if you don't understand a question, you can say, lo siento, no comprendo. Puede repetir, and that's perfectly fine. At the end of the role play, your examiner will ask you an extra question, an unseen question. So it's going to be related to the role play. So you have to think carefully about the answer and always answer with a verb. For example, ¿qué estudias en la universidad? Estudio español. As long as you answer with a verb, you will get full marks. What you cannot do is say español, because then the examiner will deduct some marks. For the general conversation, the main topics that come up all the time are about yourself, your family, your best friend, talk a little bit about your house, your area, your neighborhood, problems in your neighborhood, school, the subjects, your uniform, what are the teachers like in your school, what you want to study in college, about holidays, where did you go last summer, where you're going to go next summer, also about internet, do you use social media, what's your favorite series in Netflix, do you follow a healthy lifestyle, what sports do you do, and also they always ask about Spain and Spanish culture, so you should be able to talk a little bit about maybe about food or maybe the main Spanish cities or Spanish-speaking countries. My top tip for the Spanish Living Cert oral is to expand your answers and talk as much as possible. Make sure you watch your grammar, you use the right tense, and develop your conversation as much as possible.